I've just walked into your dollar store with more, and I noticed a few new things were put out since my last visit. These are so cute. They're like rusted, the bells. $2 for the little door hanger. These are new, and they're on sale they were regularly $6 here, and now they're on for $3. So there's the gingerbread sleigh kit. I think I'm going to grab one for the kids. They always like making the gingerbread house, and I typically pay about $8 or $10, I think, for them. This is cute, but it's foam. I thought it was a hard, kind of like a MDF type board. These are LED light up. A lot of us have been making them with the gift bags. Oh, these are cute. I like the frame. It also lights up too. I just don't know where, but it's really pretty, and the smaller one is cute too. Very nice. I like the frames. And they have a ton of garland left still, which I'm surprised because I thought this stuff would have been cleared out already. You know what? I'm finding a lot of Christmas things haven't cleared out like in previous years. Things are just kind of sitting. These would be cute for decoupaging. Oh, look, cellophane. I bought a huge roll from Amazon, which I find the value is really, really great. And plus it folds and is easy to store. But these are a quick fix if you need some cellophane bags. Gift cards are really selling this year. I think a lot more people have mailed out cards. What do you think? They have this giant roll of burlap, which... Oh, and I need to grab one more of these. I like having them around the house. They're only $1. So these are $10 for these giant burlap pieces. So if you're making like DIYs and stuff, this comes in handy. And their ribbon. They always have some cute ribbon and basket filler. Their basket filler is typically $1. Yep, still $1. And some more cellophane. See, these rolls are too small for me. 12.5 square feet. It's not worth it for me because I make so many gift baskets that I need a big, thick roll. These are pretty, aren't they? If you have birthdays, I like to curl the ribbon. And then they have these little bows already pre-made. All right, let's go see if there's any wrapping paper that catches our eye. There's some frozen, which can be used for Christmas or birthdays, and it's $2 for the roll. And then sometimes they have gift boxes. Yeah, these ones here. They have like a bit of a crocodile or snake print. If you need to mail out a pretty box. Oh, this one's a little pricey. If you have any gifts to send out and you need a pretty gift box. See, this one's a bit more reasonably priced and it's the same size. So depending on the print. These are new. They feel a little flimsy, to be honest with you. Yikes. See, these are things where you go to Marshall's or a home store and find a nice quality basket. Yeah, this is $30. Way too pricey for the quality is not there. They have a ton of baskets, so if you're putting together gift baskets, this can kind of come in handy. And they do have a lot of boxes as well. My first time seeing really tall faux plants here. These little kits caught my attention last time I was here. For $8, it comes with a little bag and 3 tea towels. Now the only thing is I don't know if the quality is there, but I think it's a really cute set. And they restocked a ton of these little stuffy things like snowmen and Santa and I don't know, bears and stuff. So I don't even know the price of these. They're cute, but they were almost all sold out. I guess they got a new shipment and put them back out. There's no price on them, so I'm gonna guess between 8 to 10. Oh, here, $6 for this little guy. Some of them were like $8, $12. It depends on what you're looking at, but he's cute. Little Santa. So it looks like they got some new stockings as well. This one's $4. It's like a burlap. This one's cute because you get to write down your countdown. $3 for this one. Oh, look at this. This is new. It wasn't here when I came last time either. It's not really flippy. Yikes. $8 for that one. Oh, these are the little 2-pack of stockings, like if you wanted to put a gift card or something in them, or a little chocolate. They're 2 for $1.25. Some Elf. I bought one of these. They're $1.25. I just think they're fun print, even if you wanted to wrap a Christmas gift with it. Oh, these are new. I didn't see them last time either. They're really solid though, really, really heavy. $2 for the charger. So I swear when I looked at these cookie cutters last time, they were $1.25. Yeah, the same. Well, these ones are half metal, half plastic. I would need all metal for the DIYs that I wanted to do, but I swear they were $1, if not $1.25. I didn't see these last time. Almost like the paper bag craft. These would be cute for paper crafts. They do have some new things. Like, I'm really surprised. I'm not sure what these are. Hand warmers. I don't know how that would be so practical. Would that be practical to warm your hands with those? They have the little print pads. Lots of stickers still kicking around. Although a lot of the stamps and stickers I purchased, luckily I did when I was here a couple weeks ago. They look like they're all sold out. Oh, this is a cute little craft. Sequin gem picture board. That's not bad. $1.25. I like the little gingerbread. Isn't he cute? Oh, check out the thickness on these. It's $5. The never-ending to-do list. Oh, these are cute. $2 for these little guys. Oh, I like it. If you guys know, I love little booklets that have no lines. Anything that's paper with no lines, I'm all about the no lines. Oh, here's like another little winter theme one. Those are really cute. What else do they have going on here? Lots of wood. Oh, these are at the Dollar Tree. Same price. These are new to me. $1. That's cute. It's already a snowman. 2 for $1. That's a fun little craft to do with a kid. And they even have these ones here that are trees. So cute. I miss Pier 1 because I used to get my incense sticks from Pier 1. So these are $3. But just the middle piece alone, the snowflake, is so pretty that it's almost worth the $3. But I don't know if the incense sticks would have a nice smell. The smaller ones are $3 as well. I'd probably be more inclined to buy the big container. I want to look here again because these are little stockings. But I wanted to see if they had little reindeer. Wow. Check out these. They're solid, like really heavy. I actually think they're wood. I really like them. Look at this one. $4. It has like an actual middle top. These are so cute. They're all glass. Oh, you can even add like your own little glass beads or something to them and hang. Oh my gosh, I think I might buy one of these because they're just so sweet. Oh look, see? Alright, so there's some more wood pieces here I thought I'd have to share with you. These are $3. These little reindeer. This one says Xmas. I don't really love signs that say Xmas. This one's cute. $3 as well. They're solid. These little trees are cute. They're already made. I know some of you guys were DIYing them, but for $2.50 here they are. And some Christmas ornaments that I'll go through. It's hard sometimes because I don't know the price on things and you have to kind of search on the tags. And here's a little assortment. $3. They're cute. They almost look like a knit, but they're actually plastic. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with a few gift basket ideas that I shared on the channel recently. I have a full tutorial and a lot slower version of this very fast-forwarded version. I'm giving you ideas on how to make gorgeous gift baskets with Dollar Tree found items. I want to let you know that part 2 to Your Dollar Store with More is coming. It was just, I was in there forever. You know how it is. It's a massive store for me. So when I'm in there, I usually film for a good hour. So I broke it up a little bit again. I wanted to share the Christmas finds right away with you. And then the next part will be more of the crafty good stuff in the stationery aisles and party supplies and baking and all of that stuff. So anyways, until next time, everyone, I just want to say thank you so very much for watching and bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.